Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Oppo Reno5 Pro Plus is coming on December 24. This is the first look of the handset. Oppo announced Reno5 5G and Reno5 Pro 5G. I already make a video on that, but the beefiest member of the new lineup only got a teaser. Still, the Reno5 Pro Plus is coming in just 2 weeks on December 24, and we have even got our first look at it, as you can see on the back side. And even if Oppo skipped the Pro Plus announcement, that does not mean we don't have any enough specs to work with and maybe paint a fuller picture. As per previous report, the handset will arrive with a Snapdragon 865 on a board and a curved Super AMOLED display with a punch hole on its corner. It's supposed to be 6.55-inch big, offer 1080p by 2400 pixel resolution and a 90 Hz refresh rate display. The camera setup on the back is flagship worthy, with the main sensor being Sony brand new IMX766. This will be the first phone to feature Sony 50 megapixel camera, unless someone beats Oppo to the finish line. The ultra-wide unit will have a 16 megapixel sensor, while the telephoto is 13 megapixel. The final 2 megapixel sensor on the back is dedicated to macro photography. The handset will be powered by the 4500 mAh battery that support Oppo 65 Super VOOC fast charging. So this is the latest news about the upcoming Oppo Reno Pro Plus 5G smartphone. Oppo launched 2 smartphones on the Reno 5 series, the Reno 5 5G, the non-Pro, and the Reno 5 Pro 5G. I already make a video, you can check it out, that video on my channel. Let me know in the comment section, are you waiting for the upcoming Oppo Reno Pro Plus 5G, which is the beast model of the Oppo? And also like the video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.